How you doing, Minnie? Alright, well, it's a lovely day, and so I'm going to lock myself in the garage like every other day. Let's see what's happening. Are you just going to hang outside? Okay, you have fun, right? Frankers is not interested in being inside today. And we're back on the Impala. Let's have a look where we're going. Last week we installed that piece and I want to get the rest of this ready. So you can see that dark rectangle in the middle of the frame there. That's where the body mount goes. And so here's the body mount, and most of it is salvageable. But of course there's about a third of it is rusted away here. So I thought that's got to be repaired. Let's do that right now. So, okay, all that can wait for us here. There we have it. So that is made out of slightly heavier. This is 18 gauge. So let's go get a hunk of 18 gauge and make a pattern. I'm not going to rebuild the whole thing because there's only this one corner is missing. So let's see if we can make that look a little better. What are we going to do here? Doesn't need to be exact. It's got to be pretty close. And we need to make it from about there. I think we'll just go right across like that. I think that's going to have to do it. So we'll get this. First thing to do is we want to put that little bit of a hump in it there, and we'll do that, I think, before anything else. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to move that over a bit, because when I do that it's going to pull this in. So something like that, and we can get the rest from there. Okay, easy enough, I guess. It's got a little mangled up coming off because, of course, it was quite thoroughly attached. Look at how much goo is in there. Anyway, let's get busy here. Okay, just flipped it over. I have to push it the other way, of course. Okay. we can really just sit this guy right on top of the piece that we're making. We'll go right across there. Where's the... Okay. Well, there's our rough start. And this doesn't have to be great, right? Like this is going to be underneath the inside of the trunk, underneath, the, you know, basically you're not seeing this. There's a few hammer marks in it, I don't care. Now we'll cut it out. See how much of it we need. That's what we'll be saving. Okay, next thing is I want to save that caged nut there. So we want to cut everything behind it off. So that's just grinder time. Where are we going to go here? We decided something like this. And that'll be plenty, right? So let's get the grinders. You can see the nut's in excellent shape and the cage has a little damage right there, but I'm just going to weld it here. It's not, you know, we're not worried about that. Okay, now should be able to straighten this up. This all got pried off of the floor, so it's a little beat up. Digging all that out of there before it goes back on. Of course, it is curved to match the wheel tub, and there is a left and right on these. Okay, let's see where we're at now. Ooh, look at that. Just dandy. So let's I'm going to wipe this line off so that we can make a actual line now, and then we'll get started fitting it up. And of course we do need to have a hole for that, so that's going to be like this. And that's our guy. All right. Yes. And closer. Okay, that's close enough. Let's go weld that up and then trim it. Okay, so far so good. Let's grind that down. Right, the next thing to do is trim it to the final shape, which is something like that. Okay, it's pretty close. Just gonna clean those edges up, and then the last part of the job is to weld the cage back together with the nut in it. So let's get this cleaned up. Gonna slide that back in there and close the lid on it. This little tab that welds down turned out to be too far gone, so we just made a new little tab there and dropped it on the ground. Oh, Frankers is upset. Well, I better go see what Frankers wants. Okay, I'm going to call that finished. See, the nut still floats around in there, and got plenty to weld to. This will get holes punched, and then it gets plug welded to the new trunk floor, and the top here gets MIG welded. You can see where it was just kind of rudely welded to the wheel tub. So that's it. Now at least there's enough there that, you know, when we weld it back together, it's basically structurally as new. Not really a difficult repair, not a particularly exciting repair, but repairs like this make up a large portion of what you have to do to get these types of vehicles put back together. Of course, you can buy this, but even if it was free and I had to drive into the city to get it, this only took, well, I don't know, how long was this video? It didn't take me very long to fix the old one, and it's not like there was any massive amount of skills or training involved there. Very simple repair, and you know, you could get it shipped here, but I could wait 6 weeks, or I could wait 1 hour and just do it myself. That's how we like to do it. There's a time and a place for this. Obviously, if I needed Mustang quarter panels, I'm not going to make them, because you can buy them new for $79, and that would take days and days and days to make one. So, you know, use your discretion, I guess. Anyway, happy with that, because that means that that can go back together here soon enough. And the rest of it's in good shape, really. Like, for a car that's sat outside for 60 years. Almost everything else, the little sleeve in here, still good. The rest of it will clean up, and that'll make for a much easier installation when the time comes. And the time is coming soon. I'm not showing the other half of the trunk floor. If you want to see how that goes, we can tune in on Saturday, and we'll be putting that back together. And this is the third of 6 pieces to put in for this trunk floor. And of course, it was all originally one piece, but I'm happy to be able to make it at all. So I'll just be carrying on with that, and better go see what Minnie Frankers wants. Where'd she go? What have you been doing over there? Hi. Whoa, how'd you get so many leaves and twigs on you? Hey, what have you been doing? What have you been doing? Yeah, having too much fun, I think. Hey, too much fun. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the video today. We got lots more coming up on the weekend, and we'll be carrying on with the Chev and the Buick. Probably some other things that I can't remember. Oh, the Imperial interior. So lots more. See you on Saturday for more of the... This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.